Poor Choices Kitchen just got back from Mexico. Today I have a wonderful treat for you. We are making some wings and we're gonna coat them in a special sauce called Alabama White BBQ Sauce. Now I know that sounds like all things Jim Crow, but it's not. Now whenever someone asks me what a white barbecue sauce is and I try to explain it to them, they get scared, they get afraid. It's like green eggs and ham to them. They're not ready to open their minds and eat it. It is mayo based versus regular barbecue sauces which are tomato based, but I promise you don't be turned off by the mayo. Mayonnaise combined with other ingredients does some magical stuff and you're gonna love it. It's gonna elevate your wing game to another level. Everybody's gonna be asking you for those wings all the time and you can either lie to them and say it's my own special thing, or you can say Alabama White BBQ Sauce and then explain why it's not racist. There's a lot of different recipes out there for white barbecue sauce. A lot of them are using like horseradish, sugar. I've seen some with honey. This one is a very basic and simple one. It's using ingredients you probably already have laying around your house. And then once you've had white barbecue sauce, take it from there. Add whatever you want to make it your own special thing. And of course, my poor choice today is the new Truly Punch Pack. I am not sponsored by them, but I'm a fan of Truly's. And I know a lot of you are saying like, Truly's, John? Truly's, really? Listen, I'm a professional, okay? It's not just a Truly, it's the shot behind it that I'm gonna pour into the can. I got you guys, okay? We're on the same wavelength. And what we're gonna do is start out with a cup of just a good mayonnaise. Then we have got ourselves 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Then what I'm gonna do is take the juice of 1 lemon. We're gonna add a teaspoon each of fresh cracked black pepper and salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder. We're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper because we wanna get some heat. And then lastly, my favorite little addition to it is just 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Paprika for you classy folk. And then all we gotta do is just get it mixed up. No matter what version that you make, whether it's using horseradish or sugar or anything, the smoked paprika goes a long way to make this recipe very, very special. I would say no matter what version you're making, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, really, really good. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like when you're making your barbecue sauce, you put your finger in there, you taste it, it's so delicious. With white barbecue sauce, yeah, it won't really have that same impact and you'll be like,
why am I putting this on my food?
But after this is sat in the fridge for 30 minutes and all the flavors come together, and then once you actually put it on the chicken and introduce it to a little bit of heat, that's where the magic shines. All we're gonna do is put this in the fridge. It needs to sit in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna get this chicken prepped. So let me just move stuff aside and get ready to reset. Very, very simple application here because we want the barbecue sauce to be the star of all the flavors that hits your tongue. So for the chicken, we don't actually have to do a lot. But one thing I do wanna do is I wanna take a lemon real quick, cut that in half, and then I'm just gonna squeeze this kind of loosely over the chicken. I wanna keep those lemon flavors. And this will also kind of act as a binder for our seasoning, which is just gonna be some fresh black pepper and some salt. No, you're not gonna show me. I just want to do that. All right, we have got our wings salted and peppered. Just as simple as that. Now all I'm gonna do is flip them over, a little bit more lemon juice on the other side, some more salt and pepper, and then I'm just gonna let them hang out. We're cooking on the charcoal grill today. We're aiming between 400 and 450 degrees, like we're keeping it kind of loose there. The reason why I'm doing a higher heat is just because I want this skin to actually get crispy. So higher heat lends itself to crispier chicken skin. Little fun fact for you there. And this is a very, very quick and fast recipe. In fact, I should probably start smashing more of these because there's no way I'm gonna be drunk at the end of this video like I am every other video, so. Bottoms up. Our grill is up to 450, which is perfect. Our wings have been hanging out. Our sauce is still in the fridge, just kind of coming together with all the flavors. And so we're just gonna put our wings on. I'm putting them skin down first. I'm just gonna kind of go around like this. Put them on however you see fit. And then I wanna check back on these in about, I'd say 15 minutes just to see how they're looking. That's the beautiful thing about wings is they are so forgiving. If you're cooking like chicken breasts, you know, you've got a very small window before they start drying out. Versus wings, you can take them all the way up well past their internal temperature of being done and they're still delicious. They just fall off the bone more. 10, 15 minutes, we'll flip them over let them go a little bit longer, and then once they get to 175 internal temperature, which is where I know they're done, and it's okay if it goes a little bit over, that's where I'll start taking my sauce and I'll start brushing them on. Now, what a lot of people do with their white barbecue sauce is they cook the chicken, get it done, and then they'll dunk it in there. You can do that, nothing wrong with that. I just like actually cooking the sauce onto my wings, which is what I'm gonna do today. But by all means, if you wanna reserve yourself a little bit of sauce on the side and dunk it in there later, go for it. All right, our wings have been going for 30 minutes at about 450. I flipped them over halfway through, and as you can see, they got a nice good crispness to it. Again, all this was just lemon juice, salt, and fresh cracked black pepper. And so now it's time to take our sauce, our white barbecue sauce, and just start hitting them. And trust me, it's white right now, but as the heat hits it, it's gonna kind of turn back to the color of the actual wing as it was to begin with. And so I'm gonna hit all these, I'm gonna close the lid, I'm gonna give them about 5 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna open it back up, flip them over, hit the other side, and then these wings will be done. We gave this about 3 minutes. I'm gonna burp the grill real fast. Bring it open, and as you can see, it went from just that super white sauce to now more of a yellow color, which is great. Now I'm just gonna flip everything over. I'm gonna sauce the other side, again, give it like another 3 minutes, and then these will be done. Our wings are done. They smell amazing. They have the right amount of char on them. Now, as I said, a lot of people take their wings, their Alabama white sauce wings, and they'll dip it in their reserved white barbecue sauce. Feel free to do that. I, on the other hand, like to kind of sauce them on as they finish cooking, and it just tastes so delicious. And so I can't wait to have some. I've had my eyes on this piece right here. Oh yeah. Man, I'm telling you, Alabama white barbecue sauce, it shines on chicken. I've heard it's good on pork. I haven't tried it yet, but on here, holy crap. Add this to your wing game. This is Poor Choices Kitchen. Because we were absent last week, I gotta get ready to turn right around and make another video. Probably gonna drink some more Trulies, probably gonna be even drunker. So look forward to that. I'm gonna eat some more of these.